Do you have an online event in which you want to facilitate subsessions in addition to a plenary program for everyone? Then you can also do this with the livestream page of Momice. First, watch the other video on how the livestream page works. You can find a link to the video in the description. Since this video is in addition to the previous video, I pick up the event where we left off. It is important to keep the distinction between general live streaming sessions and livestream subsessions in mind. To create a general livestream session, create an item in the program and indicate that the item will be taking place online. Then the livestream item is automatically created. I demonstrated this in the previous video. To create a livestream session per workshop, you must first create a workshop question in the registration form and fill in the different workshops. In this case, I will create 3 sessions. The impact of the corona time on event professionals, the impact of the corona time on locations, and the impact of the corona time on speakers. During this fictional event, I will have my invitees register for one of these sessions and discuss the subject for which they have registered. In order to keep the discussions properly organized, I set a maximum per session of 5. The workshop question has now been added to the registration form. Just like with the plenary livestream session, now we are going to add the workshop round to the program. I navigate to the program page and I create a new item. I call this item Workshop Round 1. This item will take place from 3:30 to 4:30. At the bottom, I indicate again that the session takes place online. As I scroll down, I now also want to link this program item to the previous workshop question. As you can see, just like the plenary sessions, a live stream has been created on the livestream page for the workshop round. If I open the settings of this live stream, you will see that instead of one livestream link, multiple livestream links must now be added. Workshop livestreams are always private because you must have registered for a workshop to be able to participate in that particular workshop. If I register for this event now, I will be given the option to register for one of the workshop sessions. In this case, I choose the third option. When I navigate to the livestream page after signing up, I see that the session I signed up for is available. When I click on the button, I will be automatically navigated to the link associated with the session I have chosen. If I had chosen another session, I would have been sent to the other link. In essence, setting up an online event with different workshop sessions does not differ much from offline events. If you want to go even further, you could also choose to make one or more livestream sessions available only to a limited number of invitees. You can do this by splitting up your invitees into different lists, linking these lists to separate tickets in the ticket module, and linking the workshop questions to the relevant tickets in the registration form, just as you would do with an offline event. If you, as an invitee, are not linked to a specific workshop session, the livestream will also not be visible on your livestream page. That way you can determine exactly who has access to which sessions. Hopefully it is now clear how you can create online subsessions in Momice, in addition to online plenary sessions, and you are ready to set up your next online event through Momice.